This little piece of automotive trim promises a whole new feel for your gear stick, but can it really deliver on that promise? We're looking at the XINGWANGDYYI gear stick shift cover for the VW Transporter T5, T51, and T6 models, specifically the 6-speed black version. Now, the description says it's designed for your car, an ideal accessory, and easy to install. Let's see if that holds up. Installation, they claim, is convenient and efficient, fitting perfectly with the original car. And honestly, for a part like this, that's exactly what you want. No fuss, no modifications, just a straightforward swap. The real magic, according to the product details, is in the ergonomic design. It's supposed to make driving more comfortable, shifts faster and smoother, and generally improve the driving experience and handling. That's a pretty bold claim for a Gear Gator boot cover. They also mention it can improve your driving practice and manipulative sense, ensuring faster and smoother shifting. This is where it gets interesting. While a gear knob itself can influence feel, the Gator's role is more about aesthetics and preventing dust or debris from getting into the mechanism. However, a well-designed Gator can certainly contribute to a more premium and connected feel. The comfortable touch feeling and increased friction are also highlighted, aiming to improve the driving safety factor. It's all about enhancing that connection between the driver and the machine. The brand, XINGWANGDYYI, seems to be focusing on providing these specific accessories for vehicles like the Transporter. The color is a classic black, which should blend in seamlessly with most interiors. The theme is clearly automotive, and the manufacturer is the same as the brand. They also offer sales service, encouraging you to contact them with any questions, which is always a good sign. They promise excellent quality and first-class service. So does this gear stick shift cover live up to the hype? For a Transporter owner looking to refresh the interior or simply improve the tactile feel of their gear changes, this accessory seems like a solid option. It's designed to be a direct replacement, making installation a breeze, and the ergonomic claims, while perhaps a bit enthusiastic, point towards a more refined driving experience. It's not going to magically transform your van into a sports car, but for a comfortable, smoother, and more pleasant shift, it's definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.